Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can deposit money on your Cash App account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first thing, in order to deposit money on your Cash App account, you need to log in into your Cash App, and also make sure that you've linked a bank account or a debit card to your Cash App. And once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you click on it, you'll be directed to the banking page, and on this page you need to click on add cash, and after that, next interface, you need to enter the amount that you want to deposit to your Cash App account. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on add, which is right at the bottom. If you have a multiple bank account linked to your Cash App, then you need to select the particular bank account from where you want to transfer the money or from where you want to add the money to your Cash App account. So that is how you can deposit money to your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.